Welcome to Movie World!
Sige, Halle, so ito yung plano natin.
Sige na.
So una sa lahat, subukan natin yung Green Lantern Roller Coaster. Pangalawa, punta tayo sa Justice League 3D, the ride. Pangatlo, punta tayo sa Superman Escape. Pangapat, Arkham Asylum. Panglima, yung pinaka-astig, DC Rivals Hypercoaster. Ang pinakamalaking roller coaster sa Southern Hemisphere. Are you ready, Halle?
Sige.
Ay, talaga po?
Yeah. Hello, kamusta? Nandito ka na.
Opo, nandito na sa Australia.
Saan kayo?
Ano?
Beanley.
Where are you? O saan?
Beanley sa Logan.
Sa Melbourne kami.
Oh, sa Melbourne kayo? Nagbakasyon lang kayo
It's like,
dito?
I knew you. It's like,
Oh, sick.
all good.
Saan mo napanood? Facebook or YouTube?
YouTube? I think.
YouTube, okay, yeah.
Because of you, I think we just follow. But I think Jessica.
Jessica Soho, yeah.
All good. So, I know this guy. Nice to see you here. See you guys.
Din po, nice to meet you. Bye. Wow, artista ka, Shanta.
I told you we'd need a fan.
Shanta has fans here at Movie World.
No.
Let's see if Shanta fits the height requirement. Oh, you just made it, Shanta. Here we are, Halle, the Green Lantern ride. It's actually not that bad, yeah. Not bad. Sit down there, Halle.
I never want to sit on the edge.
Ready, Shanta?
I'm so scared.
Alright, let's go.
This beautiful life.
Ali, how was it? My hands are still shaking.
Alright, Halle, you ready? This is the kids' ride.
No.
The kids' ride, mate. I'm excited for the hypercoaster. Next up, Superman Escape. You want to go on that one, guys? You keen, Halle?
Yep.
Well, that sucked. You know what happened to us? We got on the Superman Escape ride right here, yeah? We got on it, the ride started, and then just before we got to the part where you start going uphill, the whole ride shut down. And then they had to let us out and kick us off. It friggin' sucks, man. Spewing, Halle.
I know.
We were getting ready for it. Halle was like, Here it is, Halle. That's it. The hypercoaster. Ito na siya. Buti na lang binigyan kami ng readmissions pass. Yan, tatlo kami.
Hindi na kami pipili.
Ayun.
Hey, where do we give
Is
our
it?
pass?
Yeah, we got to use our admission pass. Good thing the Superman ride broke down after all. Yeah. Di kailangan kami nagpila. O, tingnan nyo. Buti na lang nasira ang Superman ride, di ba? Para, ano, di ba? Nag-skip tayo ng pila. You ready, Halle?
No.
Yeah, come on, you can do it. Here we go.
That was the best ride I've ever been on.
I know.
It was so
That was a
fast.
crazy fast ride, man. Holy crap.
Here. Look at me. We could grab it.
Shanta is so excited to see an ibis.
Y'all?
Last one. Chuck it up high. Chuck it up high.
There goes my money. We didn't win. We didn't win.
But we got a hat for $10.
I got a hat.
It's your village, baby.
Welcome to my village.
Yeah. Get some picture. Right, let's try this ride again. Hey, we went on the ride, Hasse! I know, finally, friggin' hell. Did it, Shanta, Halle? We went on all the scary rides in the park. Madali lang, no? Oo nga, no?
We have one more.
Sigaw ka ng sigaw kasi wala ka ng boses. Paus na siya.
We went on that thing.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, ends our Movie World tour for today. Shanta, maganda bang Movie World?
Sobrang maganda. Mas maganda kaysa sa Disneyland
Oo
sa
nga, no?
Hong Kong.
Halle!
Can't believe we went on that thing. Look at that.
Yeah, no, that's cool, isn't it?
Oh.
Can't believe we went on that massive
We
roller
went.
coaster. That is
We did
ridiculous.
do that.
And you did it, Halle. You went on that roller coaster behind you.
I can't believe I did that.
Magkikita tayo sa sunod na vlog natin. Hello.
I'm gonna go down. I remember we went on that. That is crazy. But it was so much. Just get all of it, baby. Just get all of it. So I can't believe we went on that thing. Look at that. Well, we went like that. Yeah, we did. Oh, that's when I opened my eyes. Oh, Did you close your eyes?